Okay, hi everyone. This is the Wednesday, May 29th core team triage meeting. And our first action item to check in on is Nico with the status update of async features discussions.
Um, so we have announced a final syntax decision, and more importantly, we are making plans around what to do. Basically, the August stabilization. So the plan is to have the sort of MVP of async await stabilized in August, and one of the things that we're talking a lot about is, can we improve the state of the docs and so on at that time. We had our first conversation about it yesterday, and the goal is to have some kind of end user, so both low level docs that explain how futures works, but also higher level docs. And I hope to shape out more clearly what that means, and especially sort of what, yeah, what 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 amount of how that interacts with other projects, and what kinds of docs we want to offer. But it's kind of been an endemic problem to futures that we would like to take this opportunity to rectify, that it's really hard to figure out what the heck to do if you want to use them. And there's a lot of knowledge that's not well documented. So we're trying to work on that so that at the time this stuff comes out, those docs are also available.
Okay, next item is establishing a better procedure to check in with teams, working groups, and track roadmap progress, etc. Florian.
That's still waiting.
Okay. Stage RFCs, stage design, whatever we call it, Nico?
There's been no updates since the last week, but
okay.
Maybe soon.
Legal issues discussion status, Nico or Florian?
I'm actively scheduling that meeting right now.
Wonderful. White papers, Florian.
Still same status. We're currently working on the pink hat one. And yeah, made some progress this week, but nothing's done.
Sounds good. Core team Russ Conf talk theme, Florian?
We're meeting this week in person because it's JSConf.
Website team working group for maintenance, Florian?
The working group isn't formed yet, but we've got quite a couple of contributors on the website now that are working through some other issues. We're 20 issues down last week, including new ones we added. And we have actually integrated Pontoon, the translation platform, Mozilla, completely into the website now, and we're accepting contributions for translations. So if anyone knows anyone who's 3 persons that speak a language that's not English, I like to have them as a team.
Okay, RussConf, Manish, how's that going?
No change. It's going fine right now. Yeah.
Okay, CVE postmortems, Nico to schedule a meeting.
I didn't do that.
Okay.
But thanks for reminding me.
That's what we're here for. And here's something I didn't do. We went through the discourse badges, and I think Matt's okay with everything, and Manish, I think you're okay with everything, so I should just go and turn those off. So I will go do that after the meeting. Okay, anything else for the open part of the meeting? Nico looks like he's thinking.
I feel like I had something I wanted to say that I forgot to write down, but I can't think what it is, so oh well. I don't remember.
You said and then you muted yourself. That was very...
I thought I remembered, but no, it's not.
Okay. All right. Okay, we're done with the open part.